Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. Right, so if you have received an Amazon gift card and you want to redeem it, here's how to do it. So you have to do is open up amazon.com, make sure you are signed in into your amazon.com account. Then under the search field here you're going to see gift cards, click on that. And then it's really easy to redeem gift cards. As you can see, there is a redeem gift cards menu option here, but you can also scroll down on this page and click on redeem Amazon gift cards. And then as you can see, all you have to do is basically add the claim code of your Amazon gift card. As you can see, the dashes are not required. And if you don't know how to find your Amazon gift card claim code, here is a brief description. So as you can see, it's 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. And you can read all the instructions here, and once you add your claim code here and click on apply to your balance, you're gonna be able to redeem your Amazon gift card. So notice I can redeem an Amazon gift card.